Anaplastic carcinoma of thyroid is the most aggressive follicular cell derived thyroid malignancy composed of undifferentiated cells. That's why it's also known as undifferentiated carcinoma. In this, there is total or near total loss of follicular cell differentiation. Clinically, a rapidly enlarging neck mass with survival less than 6 months in most cases is observed. Composed of undifferentiated pleomorphic mitotically active tumor cells, they may show focal follicular cell differentiation morphologically or immunohistochemically. They develop from progression of differentiated thyroid carcinoma or de novo. Radiation exposure history or iodine deficiency is noted in 10% of cases. These tumors are rapidly growing and widely invasive and need multimodal treatment. Grossly, these tumors are large mass, often more than 5 centimeter, with ill-defined margins that infiltrate adjoining skeletal muscle and trachea. The cut surface is tan, fleshy, and may be variegated with hemorrhage and necrosis. Microscopically, there is marked cellular pleomorphism with bizarre hyperchromatic nuclei, prominent mitotic activity with atypical mitosis, necrosis, which is usually extensive, and it's accompanied by acute inflammatory infiltrate with macrophages. There is invasion which is deep into the adjacent structures such as trachea, larynx, esophagus, fibroadipose tissue, and skin. And also, there could be vascular invasion. Heterologous differentiation, like presence of bone with or without cartilage, may be seen. The common patterns are epithelioid, squamoid, spinal, sarcomatoid, and pleomorphic type. As you can see in this H&E image from anaplastic carcinoma thyroid, there is marked nuclear pleomorphism. And there is also presence of some acute inflammatory infiltrate in between the tumor cells. Here in this micrograph, along with nuclear pleomorphism of the tumor cells, you can see tumor giant cells which are depicted by the arrows. This micrograph is from the FNAC of anaplastic carcinoma thyroid, where you can see nuclear pleomorphism and giant cells. Also, with the yellow arrowhead, there is shown a mitotic figure which shows atypical mitosis. The treatment of anaplastic carcinoma thyroid is surgery if it is resectable. Radiotherapy with or without chemotherapy can be given. Also, targeted therapy and checkpoint inhibitor therapies are now into play. The prognosis of this tumor is poor with a mortality rate more than 90% and a median survival of about 5 to 6 months.